guys, welcome to my house tour. Come on in. Right here, I have my acrylic chairs that I got from Wayfair. They are very expensive. Right here is a picture frame that I got from Home Goods. Haven't put a picture in it yet, but it's coming soon. This is my lantern that I got from Home Depot. Right here I have chocolate, Dove's chocolate, and this candy dish. Candy dish came from Dollar Tree. It was $1. This candle, which I love so much, is strawberry pound cake, came from Bath and Body Works. This vase right here came from Home Goods, and I just put some Christmas balls for decoration in them that I got from Target and Hobby Lobby. Right here, this came from Home Goods, and I have some lemons in them that I put in here for decor. I also have this picture frame, well, this picture on this wall. It says Joy. It actually came from Hobby Lobby. It's a Christmas decoration, but fits the decor. I have this flower candle that came from Home Goods. I have the champagne toast candle that came from Bath and Body Works. I have this calendar, which yes, it says the wrong date, but it's okay. I have this dispenser. It's a pumpkin dispenser, came from At Home. I believe this was about $30. This stand that everything is on came from Wayfair. I got it on sale for like $139, I believe. And it closes in the middle, which is what I like. Thought it was very cute. Okay, you guys, come this way. I have this picture on the wall. It's the elephant picture. I've had this picture for about 5 years now. And it came from Ross. It was $40. Nice. I love elephant y'all. Right here is my garage. It is a work in progress, y'all. I did want to have some organization in here. It's a 2-car garage, but it's coming. That video is coming soon. Okay, right here is my bathroom. It's a half bath. Picture on the wall came from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid about $15 for that picture. I thought it was so pretty. Right here, I have my deep freezer. This came from Home Depot. I believe I paid like $189 for it. And right here is my coat closet. I'm not gonna open it, y'all. It's just coat closet. Trash can. And here's my kitchen, which I love so much. I changed out all my light fixtures in this kitchen. Right here is my pantry. These are the doorknobs that I got from Home Goods that I changed out just to add like a little glam to it. My pantry is not done yet, y'all. I need to organize it. But there go my goodies. That's why I'm fat. All right, right here is my refrigerator, stainless steel refrigerator. I have my stove. I have this cake stand. Has like a little rhinestones on it. Came from Home Goods. My Keurig came from Belk. This cookie jar came from Home Goods. I have over here this fruit stand, which I just put my fruit on here. It came from Home Goods, and I believe this was about $30. And these are the light fixtures that I changed out. These are the Home Decorators collection from Home Depot. Right here, I have this car dispenser. It's actually a fall car dispenser, but it came from Hobby Lobby. I have the strawberry pound cake hand wash, came from Bath and Body Works. This glass container that I put right here came from Home Goods. I have these 3 bar stools. They came from Target online. There are the Brookline tufted dining chairs, well, bar stool chairs. And right here is my dining room. This is my table. I got the placemats from Home Goods. I got the chairs, the dining chairs from Target online. They match with the bar stools. I got the mirrored stand from At Home. I got the reindeer from Hobby Lobby. The glass knot from Home Goods. This tree is supposed to be a tree from Home Goods. And right here is my mirror that I got from Home Goods. Below is like a little stand. I put my garlic, my onions, and I usually have potatoes at the bottom. Got that from Home Goods for $40. Over here, I got this sign from Home Goods. This cake stand from Home Goods. I got this drawer from Home Goods. It was $179. The rug under my dining table came from Walmart. I have these beautiful curtains. They have like a little shimmer in them. They came from Home Goods. And if you come over here, I got these little glitter flowers from Hobby Lobby during the Christmas time. They have a lot of glam stuff during Christmas. And I have this vase that I got from the UK, and I think the website was Outlet Mirrors. I believe that's what it's called. They're pretty good. Over here is my fireplace. I have all my pictures up here of my daughter and my son and myself. And I have the elephant picture that I got from Hobby Lobby. These 2 lanterns, I got this one from Home Goods and I got that one from Home Depot. I got this end table from Home Goods. It was $50. Rug over here came from Wayfair. Beautiful rug. These curtains over here came from At Home. This basket came from Target, and the blanket inside came from Home Goods. I got this floor lamp, which came from Ross, and this beautiful vase, which came from Home Goods. This is my TV over here, came from Walmart. I have this right here, came from At Home. It's like a little centerpiece. The little box down there, I keep my remote control in there, my batteries for my remotes, came from Home Goods. My beautiful chair came from Wayfair. I believe it was about $900. I also got the other end table over here that came from Home Goods. This picture right here came from Wayfair. It's a big, large mirrored picture. Right here, I got this mirrored mirror that came from Wayfair. And that is my home tour. Thank you guys for joining me. Bye.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up. meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please the maker. Then take a break.